Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, that way you're assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this with a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8 motor, four-wheel drive, crew cab, a built to serve edition. It's a limited edition, guys. It's gonna have a lot of built-in options in here that are normally not on a standard truck. Plus it's obviously built to serve. It's definitely military oriented, which we're always focused on here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. So starting on the front, you are going to notice here at the bottom, everything is blacked out on the front of this truck. Upgraded steel bumper, and right here, these little circles that run all the way along the front bumper there, those are for your front monitoring system. It's definitely going to help you when you're getting into them really tight areas. Automatic overhead headlighting, a very nice smoked factory rim. That's a Ram. It's a factory rim. It is smoked, and that's a 20-inch rim also. Upgraded blacked out running boards that are part of this package as well. Built to serve badging on the exterior of the truck on the rear corner. And you're going to notice all the badging all the way around this. Like for example, this Bighorn logo right here, everything is blacked out. Dual tip exhaust, and those are blacked out exhaust tips, one on each side of the truck there. You're also going to have your trailer tow here in the rear, also with a 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup located right there. And then also on the back, right here in the handle to drop down the tailgate, that is your backup sensor. Guys, this vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain, 5 years, 60,000 miles. So plenty of coverage, no need to worry about anything once buying this vehicle brand new. You are covered by the manufacturer for a long period of time. On the inside, on the driver's door, we do have power folding side mirrors, this center button right here. Also, you do have power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Upgraded rubber floor mats with the Ram logo all the way throughout this truck. Power seat with a 4-way power lumbar. Power foot pedestals located right here. Automatic overhead headlighting, like I said, outside. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, all these 4 buttons over here. It's going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. It's going to tell you everything from how fast you're going, miles per hour, your trip information, your average gallons per mile. It also goes into depth and tells you more as far as how your function of your vehicle's what the functions, all the functions of your vehicle are while driving down the road, whether it's your oil life left, engine coolant temperature, and the list just goes on and on. Also, right inside there, you have these phone buttons located right here, so you can pair your phone directly into this vehicle. No longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the green phone button when your phone's paired, and you're going to carry on your conversation directly through your speaker system instead of reaching for your cell phone. Cruise control located here on the right-hand side. You also have the option to manually shift a gear if need be. On the back of the steering wheel, on both the left and right side, you have all the controls to operate your radio, whether it's increasing the volume, whether it's changing a radio station. Everything can be done from the back of the steering wheel. Push button start. It also does have a remote start with this particular truck. 4-wheel drive system is push on the fly. So right now, as you can see, it's in 2 high, but there is a 4 auto, 4 high, and a 4 low. Turn knob for your forward, neutral, and reverse, neutral, and drive. And as you can see, the back sensors, like I showed you outside, are beeping, which means they are working because we're close to that Jeep right there, but that is your backup camera built right into your radio. Right now it's set on a split screen, which is nice. For example, the Bluetooth on top, and then I could pick whatever I wanted to do on the bottom, and you could do the same with the top. I could switch this and make this media for your radio if I wanted to. So that's what it was on. How about comfort and climate controls? And then you have a split screen concept with that 12-inch touchscreen radio. If you don't like that, you can obviously go back to one screen by doing some configurations in that radio. But like, you do have media built in down here, and what your media is going to be is your Bluetooth, for example, which keeps popping up. And these all these buttons down here can be moved all around. Someone's moved them all around. It's got me all confused. But it does have AM, FM, and it also does have Sirius XM radio, which is going to come with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. All your controls for your heated seats are all on a button down here. So you have your heated front and passenger seat. That's high, medium, and low setting for that, and also a heated steering wheel button on there also. All your climate controls, you have dual climate controls in this truck, which just makes it a really nice system. So you can set the passenger on a different temperature than the driver's side if you like, or you can simply sync them together. Bunch of built-in apps from the manufacturer, factory navigation, as you can see there. Very large center console here with plenty of storage. As you can see, you have your cup holders and small knick-knack spot up there. You can push that back. You got a large compartment down there below. And then here in the back, you got a small one up top with a nice leather-wrapped armrest and a large one down there below with a factory built-in gun safe. You can use it for other things. Obviously, you don't have to use it for a gun, but a really cool feature that's only in the Built to Serve edition. Uconnect garage door openers located right up here. Up to 3 of them can be programmed in. And onto the back, we do have rubber floor mats on the floorboard here. And we have an AC plug, USB plugs there in the center, and a really cool kind of upgraded seat. As you can see, it's got that little bit of a mesh in the center here. Definitely gives it a nice look. It does have child safety hooks on both sides of that rear bench, which is another nice feature. Another thing I did not show you with this Built to Serve, in the 2 front seats, you have the Built to Serve logo in here with the Ram head on there. Definitely a cool touch. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.